Here we are back again today. We are rolling up this hay we mowed the other day. We've gotten our outside rounds done and we're working on baling the center now. We've gotten 15 bales so far. We've got rain in the forecast for tomorrow, so we're gonna try and get this baled and a couple other small pieces. Here's what our bales are looking like so far. Don't mind that strip of net wrap tore, but they're nice and tight. Back with our 79 white 2135. We've got a 605N cornstalk special Vermeer round baler on the back. One of my projects for this year is to get the air conditioning going on the white. Makes for a long day when you're having to sit in the hot cab. I've got a fan blowing, but that just doesn't keep up very good some days. But this hay, it's not that heavy, but it's pretty good stuff. So I will get a few angles here and let you guys see what's going on. Like and comment and subscribe if you like this, and we'll keep trying to make some more videos.